1. Casio MRG-B2100B1A. Casio MRG-B2100B1A. Casio brought the 2100 series into the flagship Mr. G family with the MRG-B2100B1A. The design borrows from kigumi, a traditional Japanese woodworking technique that connects components without nails. The bezel uses 27 separate titanium parts, each joined using shock-absorbing materials to ensure structural integrity and style. The top bezel layer uses cobarium, a titanium alloy with a hardness 4 times greater than pure titanium. DAT55G titanium forms the band, while a diamond-like carbon coating and sapphire crystal enhance scratch resistance. This model includes Bluetooth connectivity, tough solar charging, and multi-band 6 radio calibration. It delivers rugged capability in a polished, architectural form. Price: $5,300. 2. Casio MRG-B2000KT3A. Casio MRG-B2000KT3A. Casio released the MRG-B2000KT3A as a limited edition Mr. G model with just 800 units worldwide. The standout feature is a hand-engraved phoenix motif on the bezel, created by metalsmith Kobayashi Maso. The bezel is finished in green DLC coating on hardened titanium, which reflects the deep colors of heated iron. The case shows a crystallized titanium pattern finished with a copper-brown AIP coating. Emerald-set bezel screws reinforce the phoenix theme and add a symbolic touch of wisdom. The Dura soft rubber strap carries a bitumen tortoise shell texture that improves durability and comfort. The MRG-B2000KT3A supports Bluetooth syncing, solar charging, and 200-meter water resistance. Its caseback is engraved with a limited edition number, and it ships in special packaging. Price: £6,200.